We all know that juicing vegetables is one of the best things that you can do for your health. So why did I quit juicing? Well, let me show you. First, you need to know which superfoods are the most beneficial for detoxing and also which ones you need to avoid, because some contain a ton of sugar, which ends up causing some fat gain. So you've got to be really careful when you're looking up juice recipes online. Then, once you know what to juice, then you've got to go out and buy it all. Which sounds like a straightforward step until you realize that the superfoods that you need are nearly impossible to source at your local grocery store. I mean, it's not like there's an algae section at Whole Foods. And finding ingredients is one thing, but paying for fresh organic produce is an entirely different story. I'm talking over $100 in produce just to make a couple juice recipes. Now, before I can juice, I've got to wash all the produce and chop everything up to fit into the juicer. This is easily another 30 minutes worth of work before I can even start the juicing process. Then, once all the prep work is taken care of, I would make my science-based juice recipe only to discover that it tasted kind of like lawnmower clippings. Despite the fact that I even spent all the time and energy coming up with a perfect detox juice recipe, actually juicing these ingredients together was like drinking expensive swamp water. Oh, but it's not over yet. After juicing, my kitchen ends up looking like a vegan butcher shop. My countertops are littered with fruit and vegetable parts. The pulp from the juicer is caked to the container. It's a total nightmare. Then I'd carefully wrap and store the produce that I didn't use so that it wasn't wasted, only to later discover that organic produce loses its nutritional value by the hour, which is why you're supposed to only buy what you need for that day. All right, stop the tape. So that means in order to get the full benefits of juicing, you'd have to repeat all of these steps every single day. No thanks. Now, I'm not much of a quitter, but when it comes down to juicing, I knew that there had to be a better way. And as it turns out, there is. I call it science-based green detox. This formula contains all the superfoods that are on the table in front of me in one delicious daily drink. That way I can reap the benefits of superfoods like spirulina, chlorella, kelp, kale, acai, goji, and pomegranate without ever having to worry about shopping, prepping, cleaning, or wasting. Plus, its crisp, refreshing apple cinnamon flavor profile is something that I actually look forward to drinking every day. All it takes is a few seconds each day to mix a serving of green detox into a glass of water, and you'll be able to detox your body from toxins, boost your energy, cleanse your gut, and support the metabolism that you need to feel more vibrant and healthy than ever before. So I encourage you to quit juicing and detox your body the science-based way with Green Detox. Just go to getgreendetox.com to learn about how you can start cleansing your body now with Green Detox. I'll see you there.